Hello everyone, in this video we will explain some properties and functions related with the tape numbers. So for example, if we have x equal to -4, which is an integer, which means its number, and also for example y equal to -8.5, which is also a number. So this is a collection of property and also collection of built-in function used with a number. So when we see this without a parenthesis, this means it is a property. And when we see this with a parenthesis, it means it is a function. So now these are a collection of properties. For example, x dot is odd. This property return a Boolean value. So it is used to check if this number is odd or not. So as you can see, -4 is an even number. So the result for is odd is false. The result for is even, it is true. Also, x dot is finite number. So is x is a finite? The result is true. Also, x dot is infinite. The result is 4 because it is not infinite. Also, x dot is none. Is x is not a number? The result is false because it is a number. Also, we can choose the sign of the number. So for example, x dot is negative. The result is, for example, true because it is a negative number. Also, for example, x dot abs, which means absolute value, this abs return an integer. As you can see, he return the absolute value. He will not give me a Boolean value, true or false, but instead return the absolute value. So now -4, the absolute value is 4. As you can see, the result is 4. Also, the rounding function. So now y equal to -8.5. So y don't round, and you can notice that this is a built-in function. So you use a parenthesis. So now round the y. -8, so the result is -9 because he made 0.5 a 1. Also, y dot floor. Floor mean rounding to the lowest number. So now for example, y dot floor rounding to the lowest number. -8.5, the result is -9. But a truncate function mean rounding to the 0. So no matter the number is positive or negative, it will round to the 0. So now -8.5 round it to -8. Also, the cell function round to the largest number, -8.5. The result is -8. Now if we change this to 8.5 and see the result, as you can see, y dot round, the answer is 9. Y dot floor rounding to the lowest number, so the answer is 8. Y dot truncate rounding to the 0, so 8.5, it make it 8. And y dot cell rounding to the highest number, so the answer is 9. And the last function in this lesson is y dot reminder of another number. So this will give me the reminder or the modulation of the division. So now y is 8.5 divided by x, which is 4. 8 divided by 4, the result is 2. And the remainder is 0.5. So now, as you can see, the remainder is 0.5.